Hello everyone, my name is James and today we are going to start smart city patent and high technology entrepreneurship. Okay. Okay, my name is James Kwan and I'm an inventor, adventurer, and a startup creator. So here's my contact information. I have background as a engineering field, so Samsung and Daewoo Electronics. I have created internet TV. Then I will move to the global companies such as a semiconductor company, Edison Logic. I work for as a senior field application engineer, DVD player, and then DVD recorder, ST Microelectronics, set-top box, system on chip marketing manager, and then I moved to the MediaTek, which is a Taiwan-based ETV semiconductor marketing director. So I have was created work after that home and car, and then educational background is like this: a master degree of electronics engineering, and I have complete the course of EMBA, also executive program certification in the Jiaotong Liverpool University, then certified engineering PM in Seoul National University. I'm taking a PhD candidate course in landscape architecture. The picture in here, right hand side, this is Steve Jobs' grave. Mostly people doesn't know about the Steve Jobs' grave, but I have been there twice. So his last word when he was dying that he doesn't want to open his place where he has been buried. So it is very difficult. Anyway, it was a very fantastic experience that I have visited his grave. So we may talk later about this some experience. And then now I'm talking about some startup experience. Okay, this is my case. So Airpool is a smart air quality management platform. We build data analysis, define standard air quality, and then predict the air quality by using the AI. This is motto of our company. So in the second semester of 2020, I took the course Introduction to Smart City Global Convergence, and I formed the startup team, which named Airport. Original crew was Team 7, and then became Airport later. So Professor Huang is here, and myself is here, and Jisoo is right hand side, and then many member here. Okay. Through the introduction to Smart City Global Convergence class in second semester of 2020, we were exposed to the various technology related to Smart City and formed a team for related project. And background of Seoul Forest air quality measurement project. The low area will pass per capita low area air quality in city compared to the developed countries. This is the Korean case. Until now, city park have not only been used as an aesthetic space for urban landscape, but also provide natural leisure and exercise places for citizens and have provided quantitative air improvement impact. Um, However, quantitative evaluation of air quality improvement effects such as reducing the fine dust and heat island phenomenon in urban park has not been made yet. So it is necessary to apply certain amount of park green space and trees to the construction of new smart city. Thus, prediction and evaluation of which is the most economical have become necessary. Okay, so this is our mission. So biggest goal of the startup team is to improve air quality in the city. In another word, um, it expects to contribute urban design standard by quantifying air quality evaluation capabilities and securing well-optimized tree planting and spacious green park when designing smart cities. So this is the overview of air quality measurement project. At first, it is based on AI and IoT advanced technology and uses IoT to collect air quality data in a trusted way, pluralistic way in Seoul forest precisely every 10 to 30 seconds. Also lead the construction of big data based on object data using IoT technologies so that digital twin technology can be utilized later. Using the big data collected in this way, it is brought into an AI algorithm to measure and track air quality of a city. In the future, though, through the AI and virtual reality simulation, it is possible to visually express the expected urban air quality phenomenon and the prediction result to prove apply the simulation for the planning of some smart city with sufficient space in the green city park make it possible. So this is the outlook where it has been installed and the system looks like. And this is the Excel file which grabbed the big data to show you example. We have collected data by using the real-time clock and the micro SD memory to secure it, as there has been no Wi-Fi network in the in the South Forest. So I have should visit there every month to get it. So sensors to check humidity, temperature, carbon monoxide, and then fine dust. Storing into the micro SD, real-time clock is coming to both place to install and compare. So this is totally engineering part of this work. So this is the patent what we have applied through the winter vacation startup consulting camp. The title was Method and System for Managing Air Using Artificial Intelligence. Description is AI air purification system is a machine learning unit that machine learning the number of people detected in the first area where at least one air purifier and human body detection module are installed, the direction of the movement of people and time when people are detected for a certain period of time, and then driving a unit configured to drive at least a portion of the at least one air purifier based on the machine linearing contents of machine learning unit and detection value of human body detection module. So for example, when people move A to B direction, this is a vector, then we will make it work. This is kind of turbo air purifier. So somebody move like this, then it's advanced to take out this body movement and then giving the such some qualified air. I mean, high quality air purified. And for example, this is another case. You are in a classroom, so everyone is now here and there. But the other case is um, some of the people group together in very small places. Then the air purifier only working for this area only to save the energy and giving more efficient. So this is our major goal to giving the some efficiency of the energy, also the make the people more feeling fresh. So this is our patent. And the team we have selected was like this, and myself was a CEO, and then CTO was Jisoo, and then Harold as a CMO, COO, CSO is respectively we define it. And this is one of the examples showing you the hardware, what we are currently fulfilling with under the Korea Environment Institute. Check out the temperature and humidity. So intensive mentoring period that we got another course in the early of this year, industrial technology seminar. So entrepreneurship intensive mentoring has been taken. So we have received consulting related to the patent and commercialization from various startup mentors. We signed MOU with the Seoul National University Graduate School of Environment, Department of Landscape Architecture, and Korean Landscape Architecture Society to grow into the environment-related startups such as Smart Park. And I have a speech at the Smart Park webinar. We found and showed them the relationship between the people counter and some weather information such as temperature and humidity. This one is an example of the device what we have tried to make by using the air quality checker and the solar panel. And this one is a mobile application, real-time based to show up that the data. So in June 2021, the monthly webinar of Korean Institute of Landscape Architecture, I have spoke about the result of smart city, smart park data collected through IoT, and then possibility of smart park management, that the name. This was some article what I have spoke, and this one is myself. The right hand side is thesis which I have submit to that Korean Institute of Landscape Architecture. After that, we registered company into the grade school of environment study. This is a special case because I have created a company into our school. So anyway, this is the company registration certification, and then one of example that I have done with the market field test. We have installed IO system in Yecheon-gun, which is Yecheon is 2 or 3 hours long distance from the Seoul. We want to check out the heat wave and the smart city, the prevention system, the heat wave. Okay. So the currently learning project with the Korea Environment Institute is there are two kinds of climate-friendly children's play zone, play area, and then secondly the thermal insulation support project monitoring, KINESI. So recently we got the award that competition Gyeonggi-do Smart City AI Hackathon. So this one was a postal. They are collecting some of the volunteer who want to take this course or hackathon, and then this is a award that we have taken after joining this one. And title name was Smart City Big Data. By using this, we want to make some evaluate and the current quantitative that prevention of the heat wave system. Okay, and then after that, okay, this is one of the example of demo. So if you click it, then you will see the watch the demo. And this one is I'm not sure whether you can see it. And then this is the device. I have worked for the 1 month in a ITTP lab in a CN campus. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.